Whether you're designing standard connections in bulk, handling steel to concrete anchoring, or preparing for new Eurocodes, StatiCa 26.0 delivers plenty of updates designed to help you achieve this. Complex anchoring scenarios demand accurate force distribution and design updates. Now you can confidently co-check any anchoring setup and reduce design effort with synchronization that pushes load effects, materials, and geometries directly from connection into your detail models. Enjoy full support for all types of widely used anchoring, including pre-installed and post-installed anchors, and cover casting plates for Eurocode, AISC, and SCI standards. In your detail models, you can clearly see surface reactions, resultant forces, and easily identify any failing elements for maximum transparency. Big projects require tools that allow you to efficiently manage connection design in bulk. Checkbot brings you a brand new engine for the 3D scene, providing instant responses for large structural models. The model integrates both steel and concrete structural parts within the same project. Accelerate your work with repetitive design by building, combining, and sharing parametric templates. Our new machine-learned prediction lets you see maximum connection utilization immediately as you change parameters. No need to recalculate the whole model with every design iteration. A single calculation is enough once you're okay with the prediction. If you are a bridge specialist requiring dedicated tools to efficiently analyze complex concrete discontinuity regions, you can now perform enhanced structural design in detail with the AASHTO design code. We also added a new ready-made set of model templates explicitly tailored for your pier caps, pile caps, abutments, and diaphragms. With the new generation of Eurocodes becoming mandatory by October 2027, engineers face upcoming regulatory changes. The brand new section app, currently in beta, uses a familiar, user-friendly UI from Detail and features readable, code-based equations directly in your results and reports. Ready to calculate yesterday's estimates? Dive into StatiCa 26.0 now.